Hello. We would like to express our gratitude and appreciation towards Ms. Gautami T.S., who has trained our daughter Tanvi Raj on aeromodeling. Our daughter is very happy with the teaching techniques and approaches which made the concepts clear and easy. Ms. Gautami was taking all the questions asked with the right spirit and tried her best to convince my daughter. To be honest, initially we were quite skeptical and wondered how the concepts of aero modeling would be taught to school students. But we were amazed to see the teaching and managing skills of the trainers and their abilities that fairly translated into an increase in skills and learning in our child. I carry the highest regards and respect to the aeronauts team, and I wish them all the best in their endeavor on igniting the young minds. Thank you.